Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TIAA account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin activating your TIAA account, visit the official TIAA website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will see an option for register for online access. Select register for online access. Next, provide your social security number or TIAA account number. Enter your date of birth for verification purposes. Click Continue to proceed. Follow the prompts to create your username. Choose a unique username that you will remember. Now, create a strong password to secure your account. Make sure the password meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. You may be asked to set up security questions for added protection. Select questions and provide answers that only you would know. Afterward, review the terms and conditions presented. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click Submit to complete the registration process. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now log into your TIAA account using your new username and password. Keep your credentials safe for future access. If you encounter issues, contact TIAA customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.